trying to find a geocache. There's a thunderstorm about to happen, so we'll see how long. We are definitely in the store. There's like, I would say, there's bigger ones that are coming down right now, so we have to take cover because it really hurts. It feels like someone's punching you or like, yeah, punching you for us. So, gotta wait it out.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather since
Well, we survived, but unfortunately we each lost something. I lost the cap to one of my lenses on the camera, and Mikkel lost her phone. So she actually just bought a pair of overalls right before we went on this hike. So she put those on and went to look for it. I, on the other hand, am in my underwear trying to get the car warmed up because it's fucking cold. So yeah. And that's what you can expect though, honestly, in South Dakota when you go on a hike. Could be a hailstorm. We thought there were trees breaking. We're like, why are there limbs breaking? There's no wind. And then we saw the hail, and then we knew we needed to find a cave, which we couldn't. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.
so weary all of the time. When he went away